Are you a Windows user, but you want a feel of macOS? Follow me as I transform this regular Windows 11 into a stylish macOS setup. This includes macOS dock, top bar, custom themes, icons, and more. Now, without wasting time, let's get straight to it. Before we proceed with this step, we have to create a restore point. Now you're going to search for create restore point. We can see right here, create a restore point. Click on that. Select your drive, click on create. I'm going to name it Windows Customization. Click on create. The restore point was created successfully. Close that. Click on OK. It's advisable to create a restore point so you can easily get back to your default setting if you need to. So once we get that out of the way, we move on to the next one, and now we're going to install this Ultra Theme Patcher. I'll be leaving all required links in the description or comment section. So click on this icon right here. Run the .exe file straight away. Accept the terms here. Click on next and agree. Click install. Next again, next. Click on finish. So just proceed to restart your computer. Now we're done with the patching, and after restarting your computer, now we're going to download this theme. Scroll down here, click on this download icon, head on to the download, and here we have this theme we just downloaded. I'm going to extract this, just highlight on it and extract all. Click extract. Now open up this Windows 11 themes folder. Copy the content. Now head on to Windows C, go on to Windows, scroll down here, go on to Resources folder, open Themes, paste the contents here. Right click on your desktop, go on to Personalize. Under Personalization, go to Themes and select the light mode. X on this. Now if we go back to the File Explorer, we have these unique round buttons and we have this macOS cursor, which is already giving it that macOS vibes. Obviously, this is not the end of it. We go on to the next one, head on to the browser. Now we're going to download WindHawk. Click on this download icon right here. Click on the setup.exe. Select yes if prompted. Next. Click on install. Now click on finish. Once you're done with the installation, you'll be greeted with this default interface. Now we're going to head on to Explore, and here you have vast majority of modes you can actually choose from. Our major concern now is the resource redirect. Search for resource redirect. There you have it. Click details, select install. Ignore this warning, just install it right here. Now go on to settings, under icon theme, expand this, scroll down here and look for macOS light mode. Okay, click on this one, select save settings. Now you should get this prompt that says icon cache files will be deleted. Just go ahead and click on yes. Then it's going to take some time to do its thing. If you head on back to the File Explorer, you can see we have these beautiful looking macOS themes right here. This is looking pretty cool, and we're not done yet. This is where we get to change the wallpaper. So by all means, if you want to use this wallpaper, you can go ahead and maintain this one. But I'm going to change the wallpaper. First of all, I'm going to close WindHawk because we're done with that. Now head on to the browser. Now I'm going to download this wallpaper from this website. I'm going to click on this link right here. Head on back to the downloads. Right click on this wallpaper and select set as desktop background. Now we have the macOS Tahoe wallpaper, and this is looking pretty cool. You know what is coming next. We're going for the macOS dock. If you go to the website here, if you have some few dollars to spare, you can actually purchase the My Dock Finder from the Steam website, okay? And it's actually worth it. I think it's just about $5. So on the contrary, I'm providing you with a free option right here. Before we do anything about this dock, first of all, let's create a folder right here. Go onto your Windows C, then go right here to new. Click on folder. Now we're going to name this folder macOS. Okay, tap on enter. So just to keep it organized, we're going to pin it right here. Go into macOS folder, right click on it and select pin to quick access. This is what we're going for. So head on back to downloads, and now we can extract this RAW file. So right click on it, select extract all. Extract again. Close this one. Here's the folder we just extracted. Open it. Then we're going to drag this one right into the macOS folder. Okay, go onto the macOS folder, open the macOS dock, scroll down here, highlight on this dock 64, right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes if prompted. Well, so now we have this awesome looking macOS dock. So in case yours doesn't appear like this, don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how to edit this. Okay, now first of all, we're going to remove any of these unwanted icons. Right click on it, remove from dock. Okay, so remove these unwanted icons, right click, remove from dock. Do the same for all the icons that we don't need. All right, if you go right here, go to Explorer, ensure to click on this hide taskbar. Okay, that is if your taskbar is not hidden. Click on hide taskbar. All right, now right click on this line here, select preferences. First of all, under general, scroll down here. You don't necessarily have to do anything here, leave it the way it is. Under start on boot method, expand this and select start as a service. Click on that. This is very important as it allows your macOS dock to reboot automatically every time you restart your computer. So ensure this one is checked right here. Go on to the next one, appearance, and here you can adjust the blur intensity. I'm just going to put it to 15. I'm going to increase the transparency a bit. I'll leave it on 35. All right, I'm going to uncheck this one. Okay, and scroll all the way down here, uncheck this one as well. So if you go onto Stage Manager and scroll down here, you can click on this toggle to enable the Stage Manager. This is going to reveal your apps and folders on the left side here, but if you want it to be on the right side, you can adjust it right here. I won't be doing much about the Stage Manager in this video. I have other ideas. I'm just going to disable it right here. Go on to Windows Animation. Enable this. Of all these options, I'm going to choose this one right here and scroll down here, enable this one. I'm going to choose this. Okay, go down here to look and behavior. This is where you get to change the icon size, increase it or reduce it to your taste. I think I'm good with it on 62. Okay, for the icon magnification, reduce it to 100 so it's not too bogus. So I think that is it about that. So go on to Launchpad. Just ensure this one is like this. Okay, added icons and start, menu and desktop. So once you have this checked, when you open your Launchpad, you can see all the icons right here. Okay, proceed to advanced. I've selected this one right here and this is what I want. I don't want to change anything about that. Head on to minimize effect, check on this so you don't have so many unwanted display on the right side here. If you right click on here, go on to workshop. This one is already on macOS Tahoe Lite, so yours might not be like this. In order to activate this, click on this Tahoe Lite, click on the skins, select OK. Gonna do the same again. Click on the icons, select OK. Once you do that, you're gonna get something like this. Okay, so now if I review the icons on my desktop, if you want to add any app right here, just drag it and drop. Okay, drag it and drop it. Now it's going to remain there on the dock. I'm going to hide these icons again. If you look up here, we have the display. This is where you have your Wi-Fi, display and sound. Tray icons right here, power display, sound again. And if you want to change to dark mode, light mode, you have it here. If you go right here, this is where you get to restart, shut down and other features. So everything is looking good, but we're not done yet. We're going to the next one. Head on back to the browser. Now we're going to download Rainmeter. Okay, go onto this website, click on the download icon, proceed to install it. Okay, next, install and finish. After installing Rainmeter, you'll be greeted with these default skins. I'm going to remove these skins, right click on it, select unload skin, right click, unload skin. Do the same for everything. Unload skin. Go back to the browser and this time I'm going to download this Rainmeter skin, BigSur 26. First of all, you have to create a free account. After creating your free account, navigate down here, click on this download icon. In the same website, we're going to download this one as well. Just click on it. Now if we head on back to the downloads, now first of all, we're going to extract this BigSur 26. Highlight on it, and extract all. Now double click on this one right here. Click on install. Click apply theme. Select this one on the left. Now click on glass and select OK. So here is the settings, and this is the display by default. Okay, so the first thing I want to do now is to get rid of the themes we don't need. Okay, first of all, starting with this one on the left, I'm not going to use this one, so I'm going to remove it. Just right click on it, select close. Okay, after removing the unwanted ones, go on to style, enable hide labels. You can just click on this glass again just for it to be activated. So once you're through with that, go head on to the widgets. Now I'm going to choose some widgets from here. I'm going to pick this one, click on it, bring it down here, and I'm going to drag this one to the left like so. Go right here, right click on it, select alternative, drag it down here. By the way, if you think this is looking too big, you can go to the settings. Now it's on 100, can actually change it to 75. Okay, but I think I just want it to be on 100. I don't mind the size actually. Head on to the shortcut. Now I'm going to pick some shortcuts, and it's up to you which one you want to use. Click on this one. So that's it about the BigSur 26. I'm going to close the settings first. And anytime you want to access the settings, just click on this plus icon on the right side and the setting pops out. I'll close it. We have a little space in the middle here. This leads us to the next step. So head on back to the downloads. Now double click on the square player. Click on install. After installing that, it looks like there's no response actually, but now we're going to head on to the Rainmeter application. Click on this icon. Go on to Rainmeter. So here you find this square player. Just expand it. Of all these options, we're going to select square player s2.ini. Click on it, select load. I'm going to minimize this. So obviously this is too big. We're going to do something about the size. Right click on it, go on to edit skin. Now on the scale, I'm going to change it from 1.5 to 0.8. Now go on to file, click save. X on this. Right click on the skin again. Select refresh skin. Okay, this is just what we want. So now we're going to drag it right here. Okay, make some space for it. You have this play button right here, so you have quick access to the volume here as well, and you can actually brighten or dim your backlight right here. Of course, the icons are self-explanatory. Some system information, time and date, and of course here you have your reminders. Now we're going to complete this by adding the transparency effect on this file explorer. Now we're going to download Explorer Blur Mica. Scroll down here, click on latest. Scroll down again. Of all these options, select the first one, release x64. Click on that. Head on back to the downloads. Extract this zip file. Click on extract all. Extract. Close this. Drag this release folder into the macOS folder. Open the macOS folder. Double click on release. Open release again. Now double click on register. Click run. Yes, if you're prompted, click on OK. I'm going to X on this. So now if you open the file explorer again, you can see that we have this blur effect, which is looking pretty cool. Okay, so I prefer to use this on a dark mode, so it doesn't really matter actually. So now I'm going to show you how to uninstall. To get back to the default settings, to remove macOS dock, right click on here, go on to preferences, scroll down, click on about, scroll down here, then click on installer. Once you click on that, click on OK. The macOS dock is not here anymore. Now head on back to this macOS folder, go on to releases, go on to release. To remove this blur effect on the file explorer, all you have to do is to click on uninstall. Okay, once you click on uninstall, it's going to get back to the normal state. So after doing that, you can proceed to delete this macOS folder. I'm not going to do that now. Right click on this icon, go on to install apps and search for WindHawk. Click on these three dots, click on install. Click on install again. Ensure to check on this remove the program settings. Check on this and click on install. That is all you have to do to remove this particular one. Because I don't intend to do that now, I'm just going to X on it. You can do the same for Rainmeter. Click on this, uninstall. So you can completely remove all personal settings and file. Check on this, click on install. I'm going to X on that as well. UX. For the Ultra UX patcher, uninstall as well, okay? After doing that, just restart your computer and everything should be back to normal. You can also go into the theme folder and delete the themes we pasted earlier. That's going to be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel, drop your likes, and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.